Want to whip those vacation photos into shape without a laptop, right from your Android phone? Let's dive into Adobe Photoshop Fix for Android, your portable photo editing powerhouse. First, find the app icon on your Android device and tap it to launch it. If you do not have it yet, download it on the Google Play Store. Once loaded, you'll see your photos ready to edit. These can be from your cloud storage, your camera roll, or choose a sample image from the app itself. Select the photo you want to enhance. Now for the fun part, the magic tools. Start by using the healing brush to remove blemishes, spots, or any unwanted elements. Simply select the brush and tap or drag across the area you want to vanish until happy with the result. Next, try the smoothing tool. This is amazing for skin, making those faces just perfect. Carefully adjust the strength, and then gently smooth out any uneven surfaces. Be careful not to overdo it. Explore the adjustments section next, where you can tweak the brightness, contrast, saturation, and more to give your photo the perfect overall look. You can also use the crop and rotate tools to adjust the photo's composition. Play around with these tools to perfect your image's framing. When you're happy with your edits, tap the share button to save it to your device or share it directly to your favorite social media platforms, and just like that, you've transformed your photos on the go.